So I wanted to specify, but first specify my new project. But first I'm gonna practice basically. Gonna practice Azure pipelines. I haven't done that yet, and I wanna deploy a simple application to Azure. And maybe if that's fast, if I'm done fast, I will set up an Azure DevOps pipeline. So first, let's start creating a simple Blazor app. I'm gonna use Visual Studio and create a new project. It's gonna be very simple. I'm gonna use a Blazor app. Storing it in dev. Azure example. Azure Blazor example. Create this to server. Actually, let me think what's realistically. I'll probably use WebAssembly. Yeah, let's do that. And it's ASP.NET hosted. It's gonna be 2 projects. It's gonna be interesting. So let's add a new class, which is gonna be the model. Let's call it info. Information. Very simple. We don't need that. This has a string content. I haven't used Visual Studio for quite a long time, so let me check one thing. I shouldn't have deleted it. Whatever, I'm gonna recreate it. Create new project, all the things again. WebAssembly. Okay, there it is again. Yeah, it's properties and usually what I was used to doing. So add a class in from information, and when I'm doing, I remember I could wrap it with but I mean this is more it's prettier. Anyway, that's what I wanted to do. Good. So we have a model. Let's see if we can run it. Makes sense. Seriously. Shouldn't have deleted it. Delete that. Okay, we can leave the counter. Controller. Does it need to be public? Although we don't need that. Does need to be a list. It's not gonna be a list. Don't need that. Don't really need a logger, but whatever. It's clean now. Let's see if we can start it. So the index seems strong. About. We don't need that survey prompt. It's the hot swap. Pretty sure we can enable that somehow. I mean, that would be cool. So where is this now? Let's try it this way. Doesn't work. Ah, it does work. So good to know. Can I set it up here as well? With .NET Watch, is there a hot watch thingy? Whatever, not relevant so much. Anyway, we can start it. It's running. Where is the... whatever it is. Okay. Curious, where is the menu? It's counter. Word, shared. Ah, there it is. I'm on off. Go to the definition. So whatever. Let's remove counter so it's becoming more simple. So it should didn't remove it from the menu. It's hard coded here. It's also empty, so we can remove those two entries. So we have only the home. I don't want this. Where is it? Main layout. I guess you don't need that thingy. It's recompiling. And it's gone. Perfect, that's enough. We don't need more. I don't want anything So we have a very small thing now. I don't want to add more logic because my goal for this is to deploy it to Azure. And since it's already a WebAssembly project, it might not be so easy. Let's kill that. Excuse me. Can close that. So I want to first deploy it manually before I start and create the pipeline. I created a Azure account with my private mail. And I have the initial $200 credits, which is hopefully enough. There's a tour. Let's just okay, we can create a resource. We have the home dashboard. Okay. I mean, take that's quite easy. Okay, that wasn't a big tour. Okay, so let's first start to try to deploy this to our Azure. I'm looking for I'm tempted to just try what I think is right. Let's just take it's too much. Let's just do this. Whatever. Too sharp corner. Blah blah blah. Blah 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 blah. So okay, it makes sense. Database, yeah, makes sense. I mean, why would we need that? But okay, we have an account. Is this? Blah blah. Create Azure group. What is this group? Let's do it like this. Okay. So creating Azure resource group. Click on resource group on the home screen. Resource. No, I want a resource group. Test app. Create resource group. We have a free trial, obviously. The name is resource. This test app. Sure. Anyways, let's do this. I'm in Austria, but this is actually Germany is the closest thing, I guess. Okay. Great. App services. Add. That's awesome. App services. Add. Great. Oh boy. Why, oh why? I mean, I could be my browser. Okay, let's use Chrome instead. I mean, I have too many accounts, I have no idea what's my password. This works, nice. Okay, now we're here again. I'll close this. Let's see, the resource group should be here. Yep. App service. Add. I'm using Brave, which is blocking every or most of the external requests. Because to block ads basically. I don't have ads in this browser, but for this kind of stuff it's better to use Chrome or something mainstream. Okay. Resource group, we have Blazor test app. Instance name, we use Azure Blazor example. Interesting that it's free. Publish code. .NET Core, LTS. Germany. What the fuck is this? I mean, I guess that's that. We don't need more. Actually, it was limited by compute or something. Yeah. Which is enough, obviously. Good. That should be okay. Select resource group, specify site name, which is also site URL. There's that. Publish options, blah 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 blah. Review and create. Yeah, looks good. Just a little slow. Whoa. I mean, it's whatever it does in the background, who knows. Okay, this looks good, great. Cool that they already provide a template to easily automate it. Is it created now? No, it's created. It's in progress. Just that too. JSON. Just downloading this. I don't know what this is. Just some configurations. Okay, that's interesting. This example. Whatever that means. Operation details. No. Service. Yeah, I have one. Where is it? Don't I have one? What's up? And what the fuck is this? I created a shit ton of things which... But it doesn't... Why doesn't it show my app service? Didn't I just create an app service? So... Insights, okay, that's insights, that's the app service. What's an app service plan? Okay. It's quite cool. But I'd like to see it here. Ah, okay. Now it's here. Good. While in the example we created, there's no SQL database used. I wanna still try and also do that because I will need it for my project. Let's do a new SQL database. Blazor test app. Why did it, okay. Resource groups, why did it create this default workspace? Maybe for logs to not be hosted in the same thing. That would make sense. Whatever. Database, Azure, Blazor, database. I don't have a server. Yeah. Azure, Blazor, example, server, Sebastian's server, only lowercase. obviously. Sebastian's example server. Enter. Is it clear text? No. Since I will delete it afterwards, I'm gonna use just Sebastian. Some simple password. Actually, let's do it the right way. Actually, I cannot do that. Cannot do it on the other screen. Okay. So I'm gonna start a password, which is not a good practice. And now you can see that shit. New password. Nope. Okay. It's stored without you noticing. Hopefully. Okay. Server is created. Yes, let's do that. It's way too expensive. The fuck is it too? Transaction you need. Not available. It's too expensive. Cancel. Apply. No. Configure. That's better. I mean, no, serverless, yes. It seems okay. You don't need 1 gigabyte is enough. Auto pause. Yes. Yes, minimum. I can live with that for a while with my $200, I guess. So it's gonna not be an elastic pool because it's too expensive. It's just a single serverless whatever that is. Yeah, well, I'm gonna have that in. Look at that, how that develops with compute cost. How many seconds is a day? 60 seconds a minute times hour times day. That's the second price times that. No. 0.000134. 11 euros per day if it's running all the time. Times 30. That's already quite a lot per month. And more expensive than not the serverless version. Okay, but anyway, I can delete it. Hopefully can delete it afterwards. Let's see where we go. Deployment in process. Let's go. Okay, next thing we need to connect it. How do I connect it? There should be add connection. Well, now he's looking locally, which is I'm blind. It's here. Not connected. Okay. Come on. Nice. Let's put it here. Like this. Whatever. Let's see if I can connect my database. It doesn't look like it. Deprecated. Are you fucking kidding me? And what kind of database is this? I don't run a database on my computer. Whatever, I do not need it. On resources. Okay, if I right click publish Azure App Service, free trial, resource group. What the fuck did I do? No. Publish. Connected services. What happens if I open that? Not much. Edit. I mean, let's just do it. No idea what happens. Okay. Connecting a database is probably an overkill for this, or at least it would take more time than I have today. I'll leave the database because I'm gonna continue tomorrow anyway. So tomorrow I'll probably add the database stuff. I'm also curious with after adding continuous delivery, how I can how easy it is to set up the processes to automatically update the database, like do migrations and stuff. I want to be easily able to trigger some things to update the database to a new model. That's what I really need and like to use. So that would be cool if it's already working now. Wow! That's quite cool. It was very easy actually. And this is actually free, so I could have my... That's awesome. But now let's try clicking here. So I was told by a good friend that it's possible to do hub pipeline Azure. Sorry, let's see what happens here. As also with DevOps. Not GitLab. Does GitHub support anything like this? Nope. It's a beautiful site. But it looks too much to read into. So let's just do it through Azure, through DevOps. Let's see, I have an account from my old work. I hope I'm not signed in there yet. Now, let's carefully remove it from the screen. No, it's my personal one. It's my GitHub one. Oh, that's cool. Which is what the fuck is this? I just need to check it 1 second. It's just so slow. I have some weird projects there. Multiple organizations. Can I remove that? Organization settings. Whatever. Let's create a new project. Azure Blazor example. Yes. It's basic. I'll use basic. I don't need more for this. I probably won't use it at all. So it's need this view console terminal. I mean, it's only the server. Fatal not a git resp. Remote adoration, that sounds right. Get in it. Do I need to add this project or the whole solution? probably better to separate them. Empty? Oh yeah, it's empty. Okay, that worked now. Now we can push it. What? It adds. Yeah. It's always a bit annoying to do that. I'm lucky if that works now. Yes, it worked. That's amazing. Oh, it's called master here still. And Git, it's not master, it's main. Why didn't it change it everywhere since they're owned by the same company? It's quite annoying. Okay. The next thing is a DevOps pipeline. Create the pipeline. Is it shown in the tutorial as well? Oh. Did I close my tutorial? Looks like it. Found it again. So deploy code to Azure App Service. Oh, okay, I did that already. Okay, I'll just try. I'm curious if I can do that. Okay. So where is your code? It's here. Azure Blazor example. Azure Blazor example. I wanna have a minimal. Ah, okay. We don't have an existing one. Interesting. Trigger me. That's supposed to mean. And why does it say Ubuntu? Azure DevOps and to push to Azure. Finder. Oh. So we need to add the resources. Do we? Need to validate an active Azure account, yes. Blah blah. Create resource. DevOps. DevOps. Quick start. There are GitHub actions. can I use? A free account. Oh, okay. But it's only for public. Free for public. Okay. I guess that's for private repositories. Interesting, we could use just GitHub. Tempting. But how? Where? Where is it? What is that supposed to mean? Ah, there's the beginning. Azure portal. Yes. No. I don't want that menu. DevOps starter. Add. So many links. Where do they all go? Perfect. Home. Okay. Ah. I'm just curious. I'm gonna try it. For that, I'm gonna create a new Azure Blazor example. I'll do it privately so I see if I'm restricted or not. Since I've edited the remote here. Okay, let's see how we can do that. New push an existing git remote add origin. Git remote origin git remote. We add another one. Now we have this is now GitHub remote. Now we have the fucking main branch. This won't work, I guess. Oh, it does work. Nice. Let's see if it's up here. It is. Although that what? 9 minutes ago. Whatever. Okay, so it's here. It's a private repository. Now we can see and add GitHub. Next, it's in .NET Core. It's gonna be Windows for now. Authorize GitHub. Authorize Azure. Yes. Free tier. It should be this one, right? I already have a resource group. I don't want to create a new one. Can I just choose an existing one? Good to know. Let's see what's happening now. So I shall probably have two or more resources groups now. Yeah. What is this? Nice that they remind me of how much money I have. I'm gonna delete that shit. Okay. I just did that, didn't I? Okay. Okay. So if I push to master, first of all, that looks different. Seriously. What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this? So I'm gonna delete it. How can I delete that? Delete it. Delete. There's not even anything in it. Ah, why? Why are there two delete buttons? It's for selected. It's context. Delete. Delete. With that weird name. In US. I really don't like this. But I guess it's required for this. So, okay, whatever. I'm also gonna delete that weird repository here. So one is gone, one is remaining. Shitty thing. DevOps, where was it? Okay. Let's try something else. Okay. No. Okay, let's. See, there's already the issue with this fucking main naming thing. Fuck it, let's do it. Okay. That's startup. Okay, that's working, at least now. So let's try using DevOps. Windows Web App. That's cool. Does it work? And I need to... Can I just... Can I add DevOps here? Somehow? Deployments? Well. The fuck is this? Yes. Oh. Project settings. Service connection. Service the fuck is this now? I guess I need to sign in. Let's do that again. Yes. Ugh. Oh. Ugh. Credits collection. Okay, now. Just to do now. Pipelines built. Pipelines. With pipeline. Azure. This makes no sense. Let's just do it. Nope. Curious what will happen now. Ah, the build will happen in Ubuntu and the hosting in Microsoft, or what? Just wondering, because our resources on should be a Microsoft's application hosted server. Does it say that? The settings. Configuration. That's looking weird. What's the trigger? Edit. So I see there we hit a wall because I need to read into the syntax here. Trigger main, that's probably on a commit. I don't know what that does. We need that. Ah, that's actually cool. Here it's right. Yes. Whatever that means. Add. Fuck that. I don't trust this. Trigger, task, deployment. Is that enough? Oh. Permit. Permit. Oh, it started. Check out. Ooh. Oh. Ha! I know this. Looks familiar. Check if the package mentioned in the task is published. So that's a nice pipeline. I'm gonna delete this. Because it doesn't work, I'm gonna redo it next time. Anyway, we have the Azure DevOps thing here. I can okay, so I can what? I didn't want to do that, but let's do that. I wanted to pull. Seriously, what's wrong with that? Where are the connections? The kit. Manage settings. What? That's weird, why doesn't that work? It is a... It added a pair plan. Ah, okay. Makes sense. Let's see if it's gone. It's gone. So at least we have that, and we have it running on Azure. I'll remove the database. So I don't have to think about it running in the background, costing me money. I'll recreate it tomorrow probably. I'll be live streaming again. If you want to be notified, hit the subscribe button. What is that? Storage account. Why do I need that shit? Storage account. Doesn't seem important. Service plan, app service application inside. Okay, I can accept that, and I can accept this because there's log analytics workspace. Okay, so we can run it here. Actually, where's the link? I want to see it. There it is. URL. Okay, it does nothing, but it works. Next thing is I wanna commit here and trigger the push to the pipeline to this. That's the whole one. That's big. Fast is it? It's okay-ish. Okay, I'll leave it at that for today, and hopefully see you tomorrow.